All right, so that might be one of the best waterfalls in Southern California. I've been to quite a few, and this one I think takes the cake as being the best. It's a little bit tricky getting to on multiple levels because you have to drive up a washed out road, and if you don't have a high clearance vehicle or 4x4, it might be a little bit difficult to get up. That being said, I was surprised when I got to the trailhead and saw some lower clearance vehicles there. There was one part where I was at coming up the road, and it was pretty washed out, and I had to pop it into four-wheel, and it was like moguls, like if you're familiar with skiing or snowboarding. It was all rutted out and janky, but I was able to get up, no problem. Hopefully getting back down will be no problem with no scrapes or any other damage to my undercarriage, but it was well worth it. The trail itself, hiking wise, has got quite a bit of elevation gain from the beginning. I can't remember how much it is starting out, but I am not in the best shape, not in the worst shape, but I was able to get up there nice and winded, feeling a little overheated at certain points because I didn't do this early in the morning. I did it kind of starting out in the middle of the day. And when I got to the waterfall, it was absolutely beautiful. But to get to the waterfall, I highly recommend checking out Google Maps a little bit before. I'm not going to give the location away. I will say the trailhead, and that's about it. It's the Middle Fork Trail of Laddle Creek, and a couple miles in, you take a detour and off the main trail, and then you find yourself going up another side creek, and you reach the waterfall. But in my opinion, it is probably the best waterfall in Southern California. It's tall, it's got a few tiers. The bottom tier has got a nice little pool at the bottom of it. The water is ice cold, and it was very relaxing. I hung out there for about an hour. But yeah, I would say if you're into this sort of stuff, waterfalls and running water and whatnot, this waterfall this trail has a nice payoff. That being said, you're not hiking along the water the entire time. You're exposed to the sun, a good portion of it, all the uphill portion, and right now my calves are really feeling it. But yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more of it, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I've got several more in the area, in the Angeles National Forest and San Bernardino National Forest, and even in the Cleveland National Forest. If you like this sort of thing, I might start posting more videos like that. But if you don't, whatever. To each their own. There's lots of cool things all over Southern California for you to enjoy yourself. All right, well, I'm going to sign out, and until next time, thanks for watching. Woo!